One of the most challenging concepts for students who are learning operations with fractions is the concept of fraction equivalence. It can be difficult for many students to see why 3/4 is the same as 6/8 and 12/16. But the Math-U-See fraction overlays can help students to see this equivalence in a concrete and easily understood way. Once students have mastered the concept of fraction equivalence, they can use strategies based on equivalent fractions to add and subtract fractions with unequal denominators. Dividing the 2/5 into 3 parts multiplies both the denominator and numerator by 3, giving us the equivalent fraction 6/15. Dividing the 1/3 into 5 parts multiplies the denominator and numerator by 5, giving us the equivalent fraction 5/15. The goal here is not simply fluency in using the algorithm to add and subtract fractions, but also conceptual understanding of fraction addition and why the algorithm works. Despite the simplicity of the standard algorithm for multiplying fractions, it can be a very difficult concept for students to understand. Why, when we multiply two fractions less than 1, do we get a product that is less than either of the factors? Why do we multiply both the numerators and the denominators and not just the numerators? Demonstrating multiplication of fractions with Math-U-See fraction overlays will help teachers and students see the principles that lie behind the algorithms and truly understand fraction multiplication at a deep level. The decimal inserts allow us to change the scale of our manipulatives and demonstrate operations with short decimals in the same way that we demonstrated operations with integers. Addition, subtraction, regrouping, multiplication, and division are all demonstrated in the same way that they were with integers using the Math-U-See integer blocks with decimal inserts.